Did you know that nestled along the Blue Nile River, the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam, or GERD, is a testament to human ingenuity and ambition? The Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam, often called the GERD, is one of Africa's most ambitious and remarkable infrastructure projects. Located in the Benishangul-Gumuz Region of Ethiopia, this massive dam is vital to transforming the country's energy landscape while influencing neighboring nations. The GERD's location along the Blue Nile River was not chosen arbitrarily. The Blue Nile, originating in the Ethiopian highlands, contributes significantly to the overall flow of the Nile River downstream, making it a vital water resource for Egypt and Sudan. The idea of building a dam in this region dates back to the 20th century, with discussions on harnessing the Nile's power and ensuring regional development. The GERD is an engineering marvel designed to be Africa's largest hydropower dam. Its construction cost is estimated to be billions of dollars, a testament to the project's magnitude. With a planned reservoir capacity of over 70 billion cubic meters, this dam is expected to generate an astonishing amount of electricity annually. As for the cost, it has been a subject of much debate and controversy, with the estimated cost ranging from several billion to over $5 billion. Funding for the project has come from various sources, including the Ethiopian government, domestic contributions, and external loans. The interesting fact about investing in the dam is that there have been reports of politicians and citizens investing their own money in the project with the hope of benefiting from its potential economic returns. The Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam has undergone design changes impacting its electrical and storage parameters. Initially, 15 generating units of 350 megawatts each were planned for a total of 5,250 megawatts. Later, it increased to 6,000 megawatts with 16 units, and in 2017, it rose to 6,450 megawatts by upgrading 14 units to 400 megawatts each. Storage parameters also changed. In 2011, the dam was to be 145 meters tall, with a reservoir volume of 10.1 million cubic meters and a total of 66 cubic kilometers at the full supply level. By 2013, the reservoir grew to 74 cubic kilometers and the full supply level's area expanded to 1,874 square kilometers. The main dam, made of roller-compacted concrete, will stand 145 meters tall and 1,780 meters long. It will support a 74 cubic meter storage capacity reservoir and a 1,874 kilometers squared surface area at full supply level, 640 meters above sea level. The dam will have two powerhouses with 13 turbines, providing 5,150 megawatts of installed capacity and 16,153 gigawatt-hours expected annual power generation. The dam's spillways, designed for extreme floods, have a combined capacity of up to 38,500 cubic meters per second. 6 floodgates will control the main and gated spillways, while the auxiliary ungated spillway will be used when the reservoir is full and the flow exceeds a certain level. Additionally, an emergency spillway is available for those exceptionally rare flood events. The GERD's early power generation began with 2 non-upgraded turbines, delivering 750 megawatts to the national grid in 2022. Outlets for downstream water delivery consider siltation and sedimentation effects, aiming to alleviate the siltation threat faced by the downstream Rosier Reservoir. The estimated reservoir evaporation is about 3% of the annual inflow volume, considered negligible enough compared to other large reservoirs in the region. The dam's construction began in 2011 under the leadership of project manager Simegnew Bekele, who tragically passed away in 2018. The government is committed to using domestically produced concrete, requiring a staggering 10 million cubic meters for the dam. By March 2012, about 32% of the project was already complete, and the diversion of the Blue Nile was achieved in May 2013. As of October 2019, the project was approximately 70% complete, with steelworks reaching 35%, civil works at 87%, and electromechanical works at 17% by March 2020. In June 2020, Egypt, Sudan, and Ethiopia agreed to delay filling the reservoir for a few weeks. However, by July 2020, the first phase of filling the pool was completed, reaching a maximum depth of 70 meters thanks to heavy rains. The second phase of filling the GERD reservoir was completed in July 2021, with the water level reaching 573 meters above mean sea level, retaining no more than 4.5 cubic kilometers at that stage. By February 2021, the engineering work reached 91% completion, while the total construction rate stood at 78.3%. In May 2021, the dam construction reached 80% completion. Fast forward to April 2023, and the Office of National Coordination in Ethiopia announced that 90% of the construction work had been accomplished, signifying the remarkable progress made on this monumental project. Despite its progress and potential benefits for Ethiopia, the GERD has also faced controversies concerning its impact on downstream nations like Egypt and Sudan. However, the project's completion will undoubtedly pave the way for greater energy independence and development in Ethiopia, making it a beacon of hope for the region's future. But you might ask, what are the social impacts of this dam? So let's see. Impact on Ethiopia. The GERD promises to revolutionize Ethiopia's energy landscape, offering clean energy for economic growth and improved living standards. Local communities may also benefit from new opportunities in fishing and irrigation. Impact on Sudan and Egypt. Downstream nations, Sudan and Egypt, have concerns over the GERD's impact on water supply and agriculture. Diplomatic negotiations have focused on addressing potential water scarcity and Nile flow disruptions. So, what do you think about this? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and thank you for joining us today. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more insightful content on wonderful construction sites worldwide.